Okay, here we're going to show you how to apply a golf skin to your driver. Get it from shabby to looking fabulous in just 4 minutes. So what you're going to need is some paper towel, some alcohol, some tape, regular tape will do, electrical tape, masking tape, and a little cutter or scissors. Clean down the top of our driver head really good, making sure we have no debris, dirt, dust on it, no glue. Then we're going to make sure we clean down the shaft. So we're going to start with the shaft. We're going to let this dry for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to apply the shaft skin. You can order these products on www.dominusgolf.com. It's a simple shaft skin. We're going to start at the top and work our way down, and making sure that we cut off any excess that we have with your scissors or your razor. We're going to rub our hand down the shaft on one side. Go ahead and cut the ends off. Now we're going to go ahead and lift it and start to roll down one side of the shaft. And make sure you slide your hands up and down the shaft till you go all the way around one side. Keep a nice firm grip. Then we're going to work the other side. Again, up and down to one side of the shaft. Until we complete it. Complete rotation. All right, here we're going to apply the shaft skin. We're going to start at the tapered end, on the back end, making sure it's lined up. Then we're going to go to the top, making sure that's lined up with the top of the shaft. We're going to run our hands all the way down the shaft. That's up and down on one side. So we're going to apply this on one side until it's all nice and pressed down. Then we'll go ahead and start wrapping the other side. Pretty simple process to put on the shaft skin. Just making sure we keep a nice firm hand against the shaft. And we're going to come down to the tapered end again, making sure we get that. And voila, there you have it. Now what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and cut the end. Just going to go ahead and lay your knife against the edge of the hosel and just roll it around. Quick, easy process. It's not going to do anything to your shaft. You can peel it back up, nice and easy. There's your new shaft, ladies, or gentlemen if you want a pink shaft. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start applying the head, or the driver's head skin. Again, a simple process. Just going to go ahead and get over the top. Press it firmly and rub your hand against all sides, up and down. Now we got to pull, and it's okay to pull it up and back. We're going to pull on the back ends and try to wrap it around the top end and making sure we rub out any bubbles. So make sure you keep pulling. Here now we're going to need your hair dryer, ladies. We're going to heat this up a little bit. Heat that up and pull it around the edge of your driver. So once all of that's run, we rubbed out all the bubbles. Keep pressing it down. All you gotta do is press down on those. If you see any bubbles on your driver head, just keep pressing down. If you get anything on the end, you can go ahead and lift that up and press it back down. And keep pressing on that head itself. Press on the skin. Keep rubbing out the bubbles. Rub out any wrinkles that you may have. Okay, there you have it. Okay, one more step to this whole process and we're finished. Okay, now we're going to fold it all over. Okay, we're going to grab some tape. And we're going to go ahead and start on the top of our driver head. And laying that tape right on the edge of our driver itself. Just following that all the way around. And what this is going to ensure that we get a nice clean cut as we cut out the excess material. And running our fingers across the edge of the head. And we'll grab our knife, start on the back end, and start to follow the edge. Just be extremely careful when you're using a knife. You can use scissors if you choose to, but you don't want to use the tape. And make sure your knife is sharp, not dull. If it's dull, it's going to leave jagged edges. And do not press too firmly, because that will end up inside of your golf club, leaving a scratch. We don't want to leave scratches in our golf clubs. So, pull that back, and voila, ladies. Your new driver skin. Making sure we also work on the front. Make sure we tape it down to firm. Grab our knife and cut out the front. And there you have it, your driver skin.